penny saved is a penny earned, right? Maybe not when it comes to your business's online presence. As a business owner, you have to make a lot of decisions that affect your bottom line, and you might be tempted to cut costs by going with a cheap website for your business. My name is Judd, and today on Local Marketing Insights with Local Leap, I've got 5 ways a cheap website will cost you. And you want to stick around to the end because number 5 can make or break your company. First on our list is the illusion of affordability. Look, I get it. The low upfront costs of these budget websites, they can be enticing. They sell you on sleek templates and easy setup, but you and I both know appearances can be deceiving. What are you really getting for that low price? I can pretty much guarantee you that you're making sacrifices to get it. Sacrifices that could very well cost you more in money and headaches than if you had simply invested in a better quality product to begin with. The second way a cheap website will cost you more in the end, hidden costs and add-ons. A lot of budget-friendly platforms offer a basic package at, honestly, a very attractive price. But as your business grows, you're most likely going to find yourself in need of some essential features that weren't included. And guess what? They come at an extra cost. Custom domains, e-commerce capabilities, advanced analytics, these are indisputable tools that are often premium features. That affordable website can pretty quickly become really expensive. Number 3 on our list, a cheap website usually means a significant investment of time. There's the old saying, time is money, and it's especially true when you own your own business. Even the most user-friendly platform out there is going to demand a lot of your time, probably even more than you think. These platforms claim to make the process easy, and sometimes they do, sometimes. But the reality is that building a website that truly represents your brand and meets your needs, it takes time and attention to detail. And you're a capable person, otherwise you wouldn't be leading a business. But think about what you're sacrificing. Valuable time you could be spending on strategic growth, customer engagement, or with your family. If you're finding value in this video, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions at all about web design for your business, drop us a comment. And now, the 4th way a cheap website can cost you. It can limit your site's visibility. Search engines prioritize websites with quality content, fast loading times, a seamless user experience. Unfortunately, a lot of more budget-friendly platforms severely limit the tools at your disposal for optimizing your site, what we call search engine optimization, or SEO. If you can't use SEO best practices on your cheap website, you're essentially invisible. In the end, you'll either have to live with that or spend more money for premium features or third-party SEO tools. Number 5, poor user experience. Most of the time, the trade-off for a budget-friendly website is in the user experience. If you go cheap, your potential customers are going to experience slow loading times, clunky interfaces, and designs that are not mobile responsive. If you think that's worth the savings, think about the last time you had to wait for a website to load or couldn't find what you wanted because it didn't display right on your phone. Bad UX will drive people away from your website and from your business. You already know the importance of investing wisely, and your company's website is an investment in your future growth. Go ahead and spend the money to get a website tailored to your needs that aligns with your brand, drives results, and grows with your business. If you want more info on this topic, I'm going to drop a link to a great blog post in the description, so be sure to check that out. There are tons of great firms out there who can give you all that and work within your budget. I may be biased, but I think Local Leap is one of the best. If you're looking for a quality website, please reach out to us at localleap.com. If you're wondering how your current site's doing on the SEO front, check out this video, and I'll see you next time on Local Marketing Insights with Local Leap.